Hey everybody, it's a great day here at the Be Salubrious channel. This is Bahija and I'm here with you doing a Target haul. Okay, this is my first haul. I don't usually do things like this. However, I was thinking, you know what? I really want to redo some things in my kitchen to make it more functional and more fun for me and my family. Not such a dread to keep up with things. So let me show you what I got. First of all, this has nothing to do with my kitchen really. These are some cards. They're blank. They were like $5 at Target, and I got these so that I can send some thank you notes to some people in my family who did some really nice things for me and my family. So I usually get thank you cards from the Dollar Tree, but since something special that I wanted to thank them for, I went ahead and bought something a little more expensive. This is a little dish that I want to use for maybe my mixing spoons or mixing cups, because I want to use these ones with the aqua bottom for my baking goods. So I'm going to do a drawer just for baking goods, or either that or a cart of baking goods. I'm not sure yet, but I'll do a video on that and let you guys see how that turned out. This is for obviously cleaning the dishes. I just thought it was really cute, and we needed a new one. This looks like a high quality here. And I love the colors. I've always loved this color, so I'm so happy that it's in style now. I'm finding this color everywhere, and it's so cool because I really love it. And then the acrylic, of course, it just looks really clean and fresh. So I'm really excited about this. I know my girls are going to be excited about it also. Over here is the stuff for the refrigerator. I feel like my refrigerator right now just feels kind of like a dungeon to me, because things kind of just get dumped in there. And I really don't like that. So I was inspired to get some organizers from At Home with Nikki. If you guys have not checked her out, At Home with Nikki on YouTube, she's awesome, and she inspired me to do a remake for my refrigerator. So these are just some organizers for some things that I put in my refrigerator, and I'm going to show you when I'm finished how that turned out, how that's working for me. I'm going to show you before and after. This is for my dish soap and scrub brushes for dishes, because they're just kind of sitting on the side of the sink sometimes. I do want to put an organizational caddy under the sink eventually, but right now we're putting things next to the sink. So this is a vanity organizer. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it in the kitchen or in another room yet. I just really liked it. And then this is for under my sink, because we have some problems with water leaking sometimes. Not from the drain under, but from actually, we have one of those high faucets, and sometimes it drips down, and so we have to figure out how to fix that. And I'll show you guys how all of that's working out. Hi everybody, this is the before of my refrigerator before I organize it. Yes, I keep bread in my refrigerator because there's a situation with some ants. We had ant mounds outside of our house, and the guy who came and exterminated said once he exterminates, they might make homes in our walls. And so, like, if we leave bread in our pantry, they try to get in our bread bags. If we don't keep the bread or cereal in the pantry, we keep it in the refrigerator, then we don't see them. But if we keep them in there for some reason, they come out and try to get into them. Not a whole lot of them, but still, it's enough to be annoying, and they shouldn't be in the house. So let me know if you guys ever had that problem and what you did about it. Okay everybody, here is my newly organized refrigerator. All of the containers are fitting nicely in here. And I think it will make easier access for the family. This is not a new refrigerator, this is an older one, but it functions well. I had these, I made these labels months ago. I just took my time and didn't put them in here until just now. So they're here. I have the little waters for my little ones because they don't drink a whole bottle usually. That's a good hack for big families. Get those little bottles if you have small children. And these eggs, see the smiley face? It's already boiled. The boiled eggs over here. So you can just have one for a snack or for your lunch or breakfast or whatever. They're ready to go, ready to eat. Easy to do. And these are snacks up here, or they can be for lunch, dinner, whatever. Just easy prep, food prep for healthier eating. These are vegan sausages, and my 15-year-old, she is into the vegan thing right now, and my husband and I, we enjoy stuff like that also. So there's just some spinach back there and some grapes, and I also have some cheese, some broccoli, cabbage. Just makes it a lot easier to get your food and funner, and it looks better. We use the jars, but only the people who are 12 and up get the jars down. The younger ones will have someone big get it down for them. So you see my kids ate a lot of watermelon this morning before they went to school. So down here, my oldest daughter said these look like fresh off the farm. Like we just got it off the farm or something. These yogurts, easy again, for breakfast, snack, lunch, whatever. This is the bread. Then snacks, some dates and some cheese and stuff in here right now. Some smoothies and some little juices, leftovers. We have a lot of leftovers around here because we have so many people. Leftovers. This is cereal. The organic milk. Orange juice, probiotic, almond milk, and the produce here for healthier eating choices. And yeah, so I'm really liking how it's working out, and I think that it's gonna work. I'll keep you updated on how it's working out, or if I change anything in here. And I'll let you know how it works. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for sharing, commenting, subscribing, liking, like thumbs upping, you know, and all of that jazz. I really appreciate it. I look forward to doing another video for you guys. Let me know what kind of videos you like and want to see. And until then, have a salubrious day, have a wonderful life, have a salubrious life that is one conducive to well-being, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.
Cities on fire, holding up light.